Hello, and welcome to another episode of Foreign Love. My name is Carmeli Resentes, and I am one of the visa partners of Enhanced Visa that assists in processing tourist, spouse, and fiancé visas. Today, we will be discussing on how you can get your girlfriend or boyfriend to Canada. Our topic today is actually an inquiry that we have received lately. And because Canada does not allow its permanent residents or Canadian citizens to sponsor their girlfriends or boyfriends, we thought that it would be an interesting topic to delve into. If you have any questions that you would like us to answer, feel free to leave a comment down below. We regularly monitor our comment sections for interesting topics, and who knows, your question just might get featured in our next video. While we're at it, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. We appreciate your support so much, and we will work hard to provide you with quality and relevant content. With that said, are you ready to get started? Let's get into it. Canada, like most countries, has different classifications of visas. For instance, if you're looking to progress a career in Canada, you need to apply for one of its visas under the economic stream. If you're applying to be reunited with your loved ones, you need to apply for a visa under the family reunification or the family class. Unfortunately, Canada does not offer any pathways to foreign girlfriends, boyfriends, or fiancés of Canadian citizens or Canadian permanent residents. But not to worry, there are still few ways on how you can bring your Filipino girlfriends, boyfriends, or fiancé to Canada. The first way is by a spouse visa. While Canada does not offer pathways to foreign girlfriends, boyfriends, or fiancés, you might want to consider applying for this visa instead. A spouse visa is designed for Canadian citizens and permanent residents to sponsor their foreign spouses or common law partners to Canada. These are the basic requirements that need to be met when applying for a Canadian spouse visa. For starters, sponsors must be a Canadian citizen or a Canadian permanent resident. Second, must be at least 18 years old. Third, must provide proof that they can be responsible for the basic needs of their sponsored spouse or common law partners. And lastly, must not have an active undertaking. There are two ways to apply for a spouse visa, and this depends on where the sponsored spouse or common law partner is located, whether they are located in Canada or outside of Canada. Of course, a spouse visa is only viable option for couples who already plan for their marriage in their future. For those who are new in their relationship or are not that stage yet, this option might not be the one that you want to consider this early. Not to worry, we have other options for you. The second option is through the use of temporary resident visa or a TRV. A temporary resident visa is an official document issued by a Canadian visa office for admission to Canada as a temporary resident. There are three basic types of temporary resident visas. First, work visa. Second, student visa. And lastly is visitor visa. Let's define each visa type. A Canada Work Permit or a work visa is issued to eligible foreign individuals to work in that country for a specific time period. This option is only viable for those who already have a job offer or an employment contract from a Canadian employer. If not, you can always consider the next option. A student visa is a document issued to foreign nationals to study at designated learning institutions in Canada. Most foreign nationals need a study permit to study in Canada, including Filipinos. Student visa might be an option for young couples who would like to study in Canada. The length of this visa is dependent on the length of the program. For instance, if you will enroll to a 2-year postgraduate program, you can get to stay in Canada for up to 4 to 5 years. This is because Canada grants a further 2 to 3-year visa extension for international students after graduation. Of course, there is a significant investment that is needed for a student visa. If this is not an option, we still have one TRV left to discuss, and this is the visitor visa. A visitor visa is an official document that citizens from visa-required countries need to get to travel to and enter Canada as a visitor and stay for up to 6 months. A visitor visa is probably the best option among the 3 TRVs. It allows your foreign girlfriend or boyfriend to enter to Canada for up to 6 months and get a taste for what it is like to live in Canada. Not just that, it's ample time for your loved one to meet your family and friends. Living apart from each other is hard and can strain relationships. We hope that this information can give you an idea on how to move forward with your plans of reuniting together. If you'd like our help with your application, we would be more than happy to assist you. Contact us directly at fst@enhancedvisa.com or call us at 0917-770-2685. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you like this, please do click that like button. It would help spread this video and show it to more couples who are caught in a long-distance relationship and are longing to be with each other again. Until our next video, bye!